So here's the air raid warning test that they do at noon every day of the new month. They do it like this Saturday at noon in my little village. This warning is used as a call for all emergency personnel in the local city, because maybe there's an accident on the road or they need to respond to a fire or so forth. So this alarm plays, and then everyone gathers up and goes to the meeting point to help the people who are in need of their help. I imagine when I hear that it is from World War II, given the sound of it. And that is the end of the test. That happens at noon on Saturdays of the first weekend of the month.